Greetings and welcome to 2020. Well, your open house is online, but there's a good chance that you and I will be back in the classroom soon, and I hope that happens. But it is a year of strange paradoxes, a year with a lot of unknowns and a whole lot of uncertainty. But if there is one thing that I am certain of, it's that regardless of the circumstances, we're going to do everything we can to make this the best year possible. Greetings, I'm Mr. DeOrio, and welcome to what's not so much room 108. If you're joining me here for English 3 Honors, welcome, it's great to have you. It's a year where we explore the depths of the American dream through its history and literature, through the contemporary times and pieces that challenge the ideas and inquiry into the American dream today. If you're joining me for AP Language and Composition, I'm excited to have another great year with AP Lang. It is a year where we explore the depths of rhetoric and style, argument, persuasiveness, how we analyze arguments, how we create arguments ourselves. It's a year where we dive deeper into hard conversations, the conversations that we might not otherwise typically have at the dinner table, but learn how to engage in those conversations with the maturity and the civil discourse necessary to succeed. I do implore you to explore the College Board website if you haven't already for more information about the AP Lang exam and course overview, but we'll be getting into a lot of that once the class starts. And if you're joining me for English 4 Honors, welcome to your wild and crazy senior year. I do hope this all works out for the best and you have a nice cap to your high school career. In English 4 Honors, we explore pieces of modern or contemporary literary criticisms, mainly through shorter readings, texts, and plays, and I'm happy to be your guide through that. And it is a fun senior year, a nice piece, kind of culminating piece, pulling all of your previous English years, 9th, 10th, 11th together, pulling all the pieces together into one to make a nice final point into it and get ready to send you off into college, if that's your route anyway. A nice final piece anyway. I'm happy to have all of you this year, and I look forward to a great year regardless of everything. And if there's one thing that I always ask to keep in mind, it's to remember that Hamlet was wrong. I'm going to leave you to explore that on your own, and I look forward to talking about it with you when the year does begin. All of our communication assignments, obviously, as I'm sure you know from other classes, will be via Canvas. We also will have a class page on a Weebly page that has some other resources that might be useful throughout the year as well. And I also utilize the Remind app for communication to keep all of us on the same page. It's a simple app that allows us to communicate essentially via text if you haven't used it before. But all the codes will be sent out via Canvas shortly. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this. I very much look forward to meeting all of you, to speaking with all of you, to getting to know all of you, and look forward to a great 2020-2021 school year, despite the crazy times during all of this. If you ever need anything or have any questions, concerns, never hesitate to reach out via email or via EDSB if that's still an option, or eventually via Remind when it's set up. Always happy to assist with whatever I can with class and outside of class as well. Thank you again. I look forward to meeting all of you. Hope you have a great final week or so of summer, and I'll see you all soon.